Hello guys, so today in this video I will show you how you can merge two PDF files for free in just 3 minutes. Okay, so so here I have two PDF files on the desktop, you can see. So this is the PDF number 1 and this is the PDF number 2. So we are going to merge these two PDF files. Okay, so first of all open your browser and search I love PDF. So this is the site where you can merge your PDF files for free. So go to this site. This is the official site, ilovepdf.com. I will give this link in the description below, link or the website. So you will get this type of dashboard. Actually, this is the home dashboard of this website. So just click on merge PDF. You can do many things like merging PDFs, splitting PDFs, compressing PDFs, change PDF to Word, to PowerPoint, to Excel, and many more. So in the PDF files, so we are going to click on merge PDF. So it will ask to choose the PDF files. So click on select files and go to your location where our files are. So our files was on the desktop. So these were the two files which I am going to merge. So just select this. So let us select this and click on open. So the PDF files are selected and it is going to be showed here. Okay. Now you can arrange these PDF files according to this window, this option. In all the settings, click on this merge PDF and the merging will start. So let us click on this merge PDF option. Okay. So our PDF files have been merged successfully. Now we can download the merge file by clicking on this download merge PDF. Okay, it's going downloading the charges. Okay. So our files got merged. So let me show you. Yes, let me show you the desktop. Okay, yes. So our PDF file got merged. The total pages are 42 pages. Okay. So the first PDF had 16 pages. And the second pages had 26 pages. So total is 42 pages. So here you can see 42 pages. So by this page counting method, you can check that whether your files are merged successfully or not. Yes. So it's got successfully merged. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also share this channel and video with your friends. Thank you.